Okay, in today's session, we are going to discuss uh, format settings inside that are available inside the Python. Okay, so
Okay.
how we can format the string, right? Format mean to actually write in an order, the right way of doing the things, formation, okay, making of anything in right way. So as we learned in the Python variables chapter, we cannot combine strings and numbers in this way. For example, there is a variable and its value is 36, and then there is a variable text and its value is my name is John, I am, and we want to actually add the age variable after this. Means this text plus age variable, and we want to store it into text variable. So this is our requirement. I want to write this text, this sentence, and then I want to add the age variable, I mean 36, to this variable. I mean this whole value I want to actually assign to this text value. But
Okay.
but this is the wrong way. I cannot do this because I cannot add a sentence, I mean a string, and plus a number. And this
I
variable, this variable
have a
can store,
question.
this variable can store either a text value or a numeric value. So it should be, it could be either integer or text string,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. But what
Okay,
if you click write yourself?
okay. If we try it, so it will throw an error, right? So it
Yes,
is,
it's going to say must be string, not int.
yeah. So the text variable is string, but we are trying to add integer in this also. So this is not possible. We can store either an integer value or either we can store it as a string value. Okay. So but uh, what to do if this is the requirement and I have to write this sentence? My name is John. I am 36. Okay. So how to write this? And and the 36 is coming from this variable. This is age. This is age. Okay. So I want
Yes.
to write my name is John. I am 36. So how to do that? Okay. Let's check how to do that. So there is an option, and that option is called f string or the format function method. Okay. So how we can do that? So this is the way that we will actually place a placeholder, right? So these curly brackets are called placeholder.
Placeholder.
Yeah. So I will place a placeholder, and then I will use the variable inside that placeholder. And
Hmm.
in the start of the string, I need to write a character F. F is for
Front.
format, format, right? So this is
Okay.
F string. This is called F string. So to specify a string as an F string, simply put an F in front of the string literal. So I need to put an F before anything, right? And
Yes.
add curly brackets, these brackets, as placeholders, right? For variables. Placeholder for variables mean we can place variables inside those, right?
Yes.
So here we can understand that this is a placeholder, right? The curly brackets.
Yes.
And then we can actually place a variable inside those placeholders, okay? And we need to place an F before any string.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, but how do you know how to draw?
Yes. This is possible. Can you see this black bar that I have at the screen?
No, I don't see it.
No, you can't see because it is hidden by default. Okay, we will discuss it later, okay? That how we can draw it. But we
Okay.
can draw it, no problem.
So I guess that button will make you draw.
Yeah, you can actually draw it, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, so now, uh, uh, we will actually do this. We will try it. So here you can see that the age, the variable age contains value 36. So here
Mhm.
you can put character F and then inside the inverted commas. My name is John, I am, and I need to put this placeholder, and then inside that placeholder, I will write the variable, and variable is age, and its value is 36, right?
Yes.
Okay, so it's done. Now we can do that. So we need to place a placeholder. So
Okay.
the other way is, suppose I straightforwardly write 18 inside that. So what will happen?
Air.
No, I can place any value inside the placeholder. I can place variable inside that placeholder. I can do calculations inside placeholder. So what will happen now?
It's going to. I don't know what that math. No, 26.
So it's 18 plus 8, it's 26. Okay. So
Okay.
what if I write age plus 1? So what's the age? So it's 36 plus 1. Okay. So I can write directly any number. I can write any variable, or I can write any calculation inside that placeholder. Okay.
What if you make it empty?
That's a good question.
Oh,
Okay. So my name is John. I am nothing. It means I am
think.
nothing. So nothing means there is an error. Okay.
At least I did a good question.
Yeah. So you need to actually put placeholder, and you can put the modifiers inside. So as we discussed, the placeholder can contain variables, operations like we did age plus 2, age plus 3. So it's an operation, mathematical operation. We can write any function even. Maybe you remember in our earlier classes, we created function
Learn about functions.
and then we called that function. Okay. So we can
My
use,
funk.
yeah, we can use that functions as well. Okay, so here is the example. For example, it's a variable price and its value is 59. And starting with the F, the price is
Price
$59.
dollars.
So if I tried, so the price is $59. Okay.
Okay.
So all we need to actually use the placeholder and put the variable inside that placeholder. Okay. So a placeholder can include a modifier to format the value. So what is the modifier? Modify means to change something, okay?
Okay.
For example, the price is 59, okay? So
Okay.
what if the price is 59.50?
Eh, then it's going to say the price is F.
So I mean I need to actually add two decimal points, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the way is I will write price and then I will write a colon and then 0.2f means I need to add two decimals. Okay. So how I can do that? So here you can see that price and colon. This colon is called modifier. Okay. And 0.2f means that I need to put two decimal values here.
Or
So
more, make it to float.
if I write it as 0.4,
Then
so
it's going to be expensive.
so you can see that I can actually adjust the values. Okay. So all you need to do is that you need to put a colon and then you need to put how many decimal points you want to use inside that placeholder. Okay. So then a placeholder can contain Python code like math operations. So we have already done this. Okay. So we can actually put some mathematical operations. For example, the price is 20 multiplied by 59. So anything, it could be anything. It could be 20 plus 5. It could be 20 minus 5. It could be anything, right?
Yes.
Okay. So here is the exercise and if is a variable and its value is 9, what is the correct syntax to print the price is $9.00? I mean, I need to place
The
0.200.
is the first one.
It's the first one. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, so next is escape character. Okay,
I gotta do is escape characters.
yeah. So next topic is escape character.
Character.
Okay, uh, escape character means that sometimes we need to write a character or anything that is not possible to write in Python. Okay. For example, we need to when we are writing a string, then we start with double quotes and we end with double quotes. Okay.
Yes.
But we cannot use these double quotes inside that sentence or string. So if
So
we
instead, why not just split them?
use the double quotes inside the double quotes, it is error. We can use single quotes, however. So like this, if I put single quotes,
Then it's going to work.
then it's going to work. Or the other way is I can place single quotes outside and double quotes inside. Then it will also work. Okay. But
Why is
what
it
I-
empty?
oh, so it's just text and I have not printed anything, okay?
Oh, that makes sense.
So how to print it?
It's slash txt.
Do I need to put this?
And then go in the middle and then type txt.
Okay,
And that's it.
will it work?
Yes.
Okay. So we can write the single comma if I have used the double commas outside. But what if I want to use the double commas inside as well? So what is the method? So I need to put this slash before this comma. So if I want to write a special character like these double commas, so then I need to put a slash, this
Okay.
one,
Okay.
before that special character. So this special character comes two times, like this is the first time I need to put a escape character slash before it. And when it comes again, I need to put a escape character, the slash once again. So by using this method, oh, it's not, it's not there.
Huh?
Why? Let me check.
Read it.
Oh, sorry. Uh, not this, but this. Okay.
Oh, you made a mistake.
Yeah.
But they look both the same.
Yeah. They look almost the same. But this slash, okay. So this is forward slash. I mean, one of them is forward and one is the other slash, simple slash. Okay, so you need to put this slash before these commas. So then you can actually put the inverted commas as you want. Okay.
Okay, but what if after the slash, what if I put a single quote?
No, you will not use
Like
slash if
while the slash is,
no
wait,
you
first go to click
you,
it
you
yourself
will
and then
you if you use single comma here, then you will not use this slash. Okay.
But what if you
Oh,
forgot to
you
delete
you
slash?
you need to try it and you need to see what happens.
Okay.
Actually, this we will use slash. I mean the escape character when we need to write this special double commas
To a single one.
that we cannot use the other way. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, well, there are some other escape characters, right? So what are the other escape characters? You can see that there are many, but three or four are actually important. Well, other escape characters used in Python, you can write with a single quote. For example, you have used single quote outside and you want to use single quote inside. Then you need to put the escape character. The other way,
Backslash
yeah, the other way is backslash, double slash.
double.
Okay. So
Okay.
it means when you want to put this slash, this backslash inside your sentence, then you need to put another slash, right? So to write a
But why does
slash,
it say
you, you,
backslash at the end?
yeah, this is backslash and this is forward slash.
Yes, but there is a word that's called backslash at the end. Yes,
Or
that.
you can delete it and you can write anything here, right? So the point is that if you want to write the backslash, you need to put another backslash. Okay, so then it will work. Here you can see. If you want to write the backslash, you need to write another backslash. So backslash mean it's a space escape character, and you need an escape character when you want to write a character that is not possible to write in Python. Okay.
Okay.
So if you use the escape character with the character n, so it will go to new line. So this is interesting. For example, here, if you write hello and then you write slash n,
Backslash.
yeah, so it will go to new line. Okay.
So it
So
means that I can
here,
type.
yeah, so here in this example, if you write here the slash n, so can you see that you have actually entered a new line? Okay.
Yes.
So I think this is a good way of writing the address, because normally we write address in 3 or 4 lines. So we can
But
actually
I
insert,
have a question.
yeah.
Is that mm, isn't that going to waste more lines?
Or you have millions of lines, don't worry about that.
Oh,
Okay, and this is the actually normal way of writing the address, okay, in 3 or 4 lines. So this is the standard way. So it is always the best choice that you write it in multiple lines. And how to write in multiple lines? Place n slash n. Okay, new line. Okay, the slash r is also the same as n, and it is called carriage return. Okay, so it will also place a new line. So you will do it by yourself. And the slash t is for tab. Tab means there will be a space. Okay, there will be a space. So
double
here,
space?
no, normally these are 5 or 8 spaces. Normally there are 5 to 8 spaces. For example, if I also again put a tab here,
Will be
so
the same.
you can see that here is a space and here is a space. Okay, so sometime I need to put some extra spaces. So then I use slash t, and b is the backspace. Backspace mean you can see that I have a space here. Okay.
Yes.
But when I put B backspace, it means I'm telling it, okay, go back, backspace, delete the space. Okay.
But you can erase it yourself.
Yeah. So you can see that there is no space here. Okay. Because I have used backspace. So why I will use this backspace? Okay. Don't worry about that, but
In
just
case you
think it's
forget.
a, just think that it's an interesting game. Okay.
Okay.
And that's all. We leave these 3 values. So this is our today's session, and we are going to end this session here, right?
Okay.